Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Wednesday afternoon. Josh is going to a Bible study and they love bringing food. I said, well, let me give it a try. I'll go ahead on and make some of these pumpkin spice cookies by Dolly Parton. You all, they look absolutely delicious. So very simple and easy. It's only 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, and child, that is it. Afterwards, we're going to add the buttercream frosting on top, her delicious buttercream frosting. So very excited about trying this recipe. Now, if you guys stay tuned for another video coming up, she has pumpkin bars and I'm going to be making those soon as well. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So let's get started. I just like to do a little sift, just a little bit. Okay, just like that. We're going to add the egg. You just dunk everything in there all together and you are good to go. And then we're going to add in the melted butter here. All right, get all of that melted butter. Let me get my little spatula and make sure I'm getting everything, y'all. All right, you guys see how much eggs are? Ooh, Lord. A neighbor asked another neighbor in my area if they had an egg, and that neighbor said, I haven't bought eggs since they've gone up, so I wouldn't. I'm not buying eggs right now. I always like to just add a little bit of vanilla. So I'm just going to add that vanilla on top. Just a tiny bit of vanilla in there. Just for my liking. And that's it, y'all. Nothing else goes in here. It's just butter, eggs, and that's it. Butter and an egg. 1 egg. Thank God it's not 2. All right, so I'm just going to mix this just like this. And I think what I'm going to do is switch out. I'm going to switch out. Hold on one moment. We're going to go ahead on and mix the cookie like this, because with the little whisk, honey, it was getting all stuck. So I'm just going to go around. Aren't you guys happy fall is finally here? Second day of fall. I'm too excited about it. All right, so this is a kind of a thick cookie dough. We don't want to mix it too much. I just want to make sure everything is well incorporated and off the sides, okay? So let's get that. Go around the opposite way. Make sure we go down. It's a strong cookie dough. 2 tablespoon scoops will make, I believe, 7 cookies. And 1 tablespoon scoop, I believe, will make 12 cookies. So we're going to see where we're at right now. Okay, so now it's saying to do is to scoop it out with 1 tablespoon, and then you roll it on and put it on the cookie sheet. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, you guys, so we take this 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna make little ones so that more people can enjoy them. And just take it, I'm only gonna do a 2. Roll it up in your hand. Make nice little balls. Just like meatballs. And put it on the cookie sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna do several more so that y'all can see exactly what you need to do. All right, we want them to be uniformed. Okay, let's do one more. I'm gonna do these really quick. I like that scoop. The spoon goes in, gets all of that off of me. Now you could do an ice cream scooper. I don't feel like washing in the ice cream scooper tonight, so I just figure I'll just use my gloves. I mean what you call it. So there we go. Okay, you guys, 1 more row, and that'll be the first row done. There we go. So that's the first row. So I'm gonna finish up the rest. I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in. Stay tuned. Okay, you all, so these are the cookies. I moved them around so y'all see that's the oils, but these are the small ones. I did 2 sizes, and these are the big ones. The big ones are going to go in at 350 for, I believe it is for 11 to 14 minutes for the big cookies, okay? If y'all can see that time right there. 11 to 14 minutes for the big cookies. For the little ones, regular size, they make 24 if you want to do that. Big ones, 14 if you want to do all big ones. So I did a mixture of both. 9 to 11 minutes at 350 for the little ones. Okay, so let's get them in the oven and we'll see what they look like when they're done. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so what we have here is the creamy buttercream frosting, and that is the Dolly's buttercream frosting. And when you get cookies frosting, y'all. One of the best things you could ever do. And it really does wake up the frosting. Just whip it. Do a quick little whip run with your hand blender. So I'm gonna put this in and I'll show you how to do that. Stay tuned. So there goes the frosting. And we're gonna go ahead and whip this. I'm gonna play some music, but you can see how it works. And if you want to give it a little bit more of a homemade taste, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. You all, it smells so good. The house smells yummy. It smells like fall. All right, you all, I'm gonna go around the edge. Look how beautiful that is. And it does make a world of a difference. So you know I'm gonna get that off. So let me get that off. Cookies are almost done, and I'll show you what they look like. We're gonna let them cool off, and then we'll get the frosting. All right, so stay tuned. All right, first batch done. Yummy, let's take them out. You all, they look absolutely beautiful. Wow, very, very nice. Okay, we're gonna let them completely cool off, and then we'll move to frosting them. Stay tuned. These are the bigger ones, you guys. They smell so good. Can't wait to taste them. Stay tuned. They have cooled off, and some of the frosting, I went to the spoon and it just flew everywhere, y'all. Anyway, thank God it didn't get. But look how easy they come off. This is wonderful. Makes my job much more easier. So I'm just going to, let me just show you. I lift one up, my hands are clean. That's what they look like at the bottom. Beautifully, evenly cooked. Look at this. Beautiful. So we're just gonna line those up. These are the bigger ones. Okay? And then I'm gonna go over. Oh, they feel like they're soft and chewy, y'all. These are gonna be wonderful. I have to show you. Look how easy they come up. This is amazing. Look at that cookie. Ooh, that cookie looks yummy. Put them all here. Well, what can fit. So we're just gonna break it with one hand. You guys, look. Okay, mommy's gonna try it. Is it good, mommy? Mommy, tell the truth. Y'all, it looks chewy.
It's so chewy.
Is it chewy? Okay, let me taste it. Oh,
Fantastic.
Okay, Dolly girl. Dolly girl. Very pumpkiny. And, I mean, it's got a little tiny bit of an artificial taste, but y'all, it is absolutely delicious. It's no different than a delicious Pillsbury cookie.
It really is.
It is, y'all, it's so chewy, crunchy around the edges. Look at the chew. You can see. Right there. We cooked the big ones how long? You can see right there. We cooked the small ones for 10 minutes and the big ones for 11 minutes, y'all. And oh my goodness, this cookie, when you put that on top of there, I'm gonna be honest with you, you really don't need this. You really don't. I only did it because she's showing it on the box here. You really do not need. She said soft and chewy, and it's just that. Oh my goodness, these cookies they are so delicious, you guys. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so I think they've cooled off enough, and I'm going to frosting some, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do one big one. So there we go. And we're gonna go in, get the frosting, and I'm just gonna go I don't wanna put it all over the top of the cookie. I think how she has hers. And I'm not gonna add any type of cinnamon because it is, I mean, you can taste the spice in this cookie, honey. Okay? But I think if you just do it like that, if you have pretty little sprinkles, that will go too precious. So we're gonna go ahead on and do that. So now we're gonna do this one. Gonna do a medium, a small one. And we don't wanna put, it's already got enough sugar. So we only want to put a little bit, this just in the center. So just do it like this. And like I said, I'm gonna see if I have any sprinkles down under. And we're gonna use some sprinkles. Isn't that cute? It's just so adorable. So let me do one more big one. And then I'm gonna finish these up, you guys. All right. All right, y'all. It's kind of like a crumble cookie. All right, let me finish up the rest and I'll let you all see what it look like once they're done. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, those are the cookies. So I don't know if they look like that. She put some kind of spice on top, but I'm not gonna do that. But y'all, Joshua tried them and he's like, oh my goodness. They're so delicious. And honestly, I put the frosting on because we bought it. They literally do not need the frosting. You don't have to use the frosting. I'm gonna use the rest of this on something else, but that I'll probably make this week. This is such an amazing tasting box cookie. She did really good with that. It's chewy, it's crunchy around the edges and chewy in the center. It is just, it's a delicious cookie. Joshua said it's mouth watering. All right, you all. So thank you so much. That is the Dolly Parton pumpkin spice cookie that we have here. And then this is her buttercream creamy frosting. It would even be good with her cream cheese frosting if you wanted to do that too as well. But like I said, I would opt out for the frosting. To me, I think it would be too sweet. I think the cookie by itself is fantastic. All right, so there we go. You all make sure you go try Dolly Parton's pumpkin spice cookie mix. It is delicious. I followed everything on the back. I did 6 big ones and I got about 13 little ones. All right, so you all look on the back of the box. It'll tell you all the details of how you do for each size. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing this. Yes, that looks too delicious not to do. And with the cookie mix that I just tasted, that's going to be fantastic. All right, you all, thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you. You all can come and check me out and see what is Shar doing today. Is she shopping? Is she cooking? Is she with family? And make sure, speaking of family, you all go check out my other channel, Shar Disney Adventures. That is my fun family channel. We don't just do Disney, but that is majority. We are Disney family. We love Disney. So we share a lot of Disney trips there from Disneyland and Disney World. So make sure you go, and Universal. So make sure you all go over and check that video out and show me some love. I'm trying to get that channel as well as this channel to grow. When you comment and you hit the subscribe button if you're interested and you hit the thumbs up, YouTube sees that you're engaging with my channel and they say, hey, let's push her up so that more audience can see her and discover her. So if y'all can help me, bless me to get my channel discovered, both of them, that would really be helpful. Okay, you all. So thank you so much for watching. You all be blessed for the rest of the week and go check this out. Dolly Parton's pumpkin spice cookies, honey. Ooh-wee, they are delicious. So you all make sure you go and check these out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care of one another. Love one another more than ever. Be kind to one another because that's what Jesus will want us to do. And also make sure you trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. God bless. Bon appetit. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.